Welcome to this easy step-by-step guide. If you've moved to a new country or want to access content from another Amazon region, changing your country on Amazon Prime is essential. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to change your country on Amazon, so your Prime benefits match your new location. Let's get started. Open your Amazon Prime account and click your profile. Go to Edit on Amazon, sign in your account, go to Account and List. Find the digital content and device below that. Click the content and devices. Sign in again, your account in digital content. Click the preferences. Find the country and region settings. Now you can change your country and that's it. You've successfully changed your Amazon Prime country. Now you can enjoy local deals, content, and Prime benefits specific to your new region. Your payment methods are updated too for transactions. Thanks for following along. See you in the next guide.